Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are doing something very, very different, and in fact, it's not actually me that is going to be reviewing any product there. It's actually Penny. Penny has got her first product collaboration, and yes, we were contacted by a lovely company and they asked us if Penny would kindly review some headphones. So we've got the wireless Frog headphones and it's got volume control with mic, and this is what they look like. So I am going to pass you over to Penny and she's going to explain to you and share you and basically go through what she thinks about these amazing headphones. So it's over to Penny.
Thanks Riwbox for sending me these headphones. I really love them. Thank you. I'm going to quickly show you what to do with them. So they're wider and I can hear my film when I'm doing my passcode and when I'm FaceTiming people, when I'm playing games, when I'm taking pictures, when I always just like my mom film on YouTube. Now I'm going to explain how the lights come on, and then I just press them 2 times, and guys, look at that. Do you see it glowing? Do you see them glowing? These are really cool. Like, they can glow up, and then I can just, when I go to bed, I can turn them off, and when I'm not going to bed, I can just turn them back on. And guess what I can do? So when I go in the kitchen, I don't even have to bring my iPad with me. I can just hear it from my headphones because it's wireless, and I can hear it from 10 meters, guys. They're so cool. I literally love them. I can hear it from my iPad, and it's saying the Bluetooth.
Oh, is it disconnected?
Guys, there's been something wrong.
I can hear it.
Pardon?
Mila!
Pardon?
So you can't hear?
The soundproof, I can't even hear my mom. If I need the wire, I need it. Sometimes I might need it. Sometimes I don't. Because, guys, all we have to do is just connect it from Bluetooth, which is so cool. I use them every day. So I know how to put it in my iPad. My mom's just helping me. And it's paused. I can hear the volume from here. It's changed it! Just paused it. Guys, this is how you pause it. It pauses it. Guys, this pauses it. So cool. Then we take the wire out. Sorry about that. Guys, I don't even need the wire because they're wireless. So bye. I don't even need your wire because they're wireless. So guys, this is so cool. I don't even know what to say. I will give this a 10 out of 12. My brain just went kaboom! Bye-bye. Thanks for tuning in.
Okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. And we will leave a link down below where you can go and get your hands on this. And there's loads of different colours. We've got blues, there's purple, there's green. We'll leave it all down there for you guys to go and check it out. And yeah, thank you so much again. And we'll see you all on another day of Vlogtober. Bye.
Bye.